AC Guy 1948 here. Gonna be doing an update on this hyper tough street light that I bought. I've been getting a lot of comments on it, people saying it's not staying on all night, and I see what you're saying. The first couple weeks I had it, it worked fine, and then it started going off at about 3:30 to 4 in the morning, somewhere around there. It'd stay on till. And then I noticed as we're getting it moved in the winter, it stays on less and less. Probably both because of the batteries being cold and then it getting darker earlier in the day. So it definitely won't stay on all night anymore, because even during the summer it started going off earlier and earlier. But I came out here last night around 1, 2 in the morning and it was still on. I came out here, it brightened up, and then it started flashing on me. So I don't know what was going on with that. That's the first time I've had it do that. Yeah, the instructions said something. I'll have to put them in the description, but said something about you're supposed to leave it sit out for a couple days, I guess, and let the batteries in it charge, and I did that, and that's how I got the couple weeks of it actually doing what it was supposed to do. Sorry I was a little late on this review. I hope a bunch of people haven't bought them thinking they're going to last all night. Yeah, that's about all I got to say on this product. I was thinking about seeing if I can find bigger batteries and put them in there. It takes 2 big lithium cell batteries, but I don't know what the size are, and I'm not going to climb up there today to get it down. So I was thinking about getting something like that and putting bigger batteries in maybe, and see if that works, or maybe they're a proprietary battery and can't get them for it. I don't know. But that's all I really got to say on it. If you want something that'll last you a couple hours into the night, then this is the product for you. If you want something that'll go all night, then take a pass on it and find something else. I'm not really sure what else is going to stay on all night and give you that much brightness constantly, because I got some of these set up and these things work great. But now we're getting on to a different thing. But these little solar, they got the solar panel on them, and they got motion sensor. I got 3 of those set up around here, but they do a good job. But you got to walk by them to kick them on. So, but yeah, for this thing, I don't know if it's really good or not. I mean, it does a good job for what it does, but at the same time, it's eh. So, all right, thanks for watching. I'll see you next video. Have a great day.